So by using Gmail, what you can also do is you can send out chat messages to other Gmail users by using Google Chat. So to access Google Chat, you can go around on the left side and you can have quick access to Google Chat right here. So you can go around over here and click on the person that you want to communicate with right here, and it opens up Google Chat, and you can go around and start typing the message out. And what happens is that the other person will receive a notification in Google Chat and they'll be able to have a conversation with you right here. So if I were to go around over here, then that is what you have. So under the Google Chat, if you were to click on it, then you see the new chat option right here. You can click on this and choose any other users as well. For example, you can go around and select, let's say, YouTube channel 2 right here, and then you can start the chat as well. So once you do that, you can go around and send out message to the other person. You can click on new chat right here, and then you can select out, let's say, for example, click one user, another user, and another user, and you can go around and start a group chat like this as well. So Google Chat is a separate application and it is directly accessible from the Gmail area right here. If you want to learn more about Google Chat, you can access my tutorial series on Google Chat as well. So you can go to the playlist section and find a separate tutorial series for it. So right now Google Chat is enabled, and that is exactly why I can access it. But in your case, you might not see this. And in that case, if you want to access out Google Chat from your Gmail, you can go around and click on the settings, which opens up the quick settings, and here you can see chat and meet. Click on customize, and over here you need to go around and enable Google Chat for this to actually open up. And that is how you can send out messages using Google Chat right from your Gmail to other Gmail users. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.